Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes and materials related to ICSE Board Class 6 Geography. In this video, we are going to see a few questions related to Class 6 Geography Chapter 2 Landforms of the Earth. Actually, this is the part 3 of this video series of Chapter 2 Landforms of the Earth. Come on, let us continue with our studies. Question number 21. What are plateaus? Name their kinds. Plateaus are highlands with steep slopes and flat areas. They rise abruptly from the surrounding region. Thus, plateaus are also called tablelands. Three types of plateaus: A. Continental plateaus, B. Intermontane plateaus, C. Lava plateaus. Question number 23. Give examples of continental plateaus, intermontane plateaus, and lava plateaus. Continental plateaus. The plateau regions of South Africa, West Australia, Greenland, Antarctica. Intermontane plateaus. The plateau of Tibet, the Bolivian plateau in South America, the Mexican plateau in North America, the Tarim Basin in Asia. Lava plateaus. The Deccan plateau in India, the Malwa plateau in India, the Columbia plateau in USA. Question number 23. Give the importance of plateaus. Answer. The grasslands in the plateau region are used for cattle and sheep rearing. The plateaus are generally rich in mineral resources. Question number 24. Define plains. Name the three types of plains. Plains are relatively flat and low-lying lands. There is almost no difference between their highest and the lowest points. The plains are also called lowlands. The three types of plains: A. Structural plains, B. Erosional plains, C. Depositional plains. Question number 5. Give a short note on different types of plains. Answer. Structural plains. The structural plains are formed due to upliftment of the sea floor bordering the sea coast. Example 1. The eastern coastal plain of India. 2. The Great Plains in the USA. Erosional plains. The erosional plains are formed when The erosional plains are formed when elevated lands are worn down by plains by the agents of weathering and erosion. Let me read it again. The erosional plains are formed when elevated lands are worn down to plains by the agents of weathering and erosion. These plains are also called peneplains. They are never smooth. They have undulating surface with isolated land hills. Example number 1, the West Siberian Plain. Number 2, the plains in the Aravalli region. Then comes the depositional plains. The depositional plains are formed when the sediments brought down by rivers, glaciers, and wind are deposited in depressions. Example 1. The Ganga Brahmaputra plains in India. Number 2. The plain in China. The Huanghe plain in China. 3. The Po Valley in Italy. Next question, number 26. Name the two types of depositional plains. How are they formed? Answer: the alluvial plains, the lowest plains. The alluvial plains. The alluvial plains are formed due to deposition of sediment by rivers. The lowest plains are formed due to deposition of sediment by wind. Question number 27. Give the importance of plains. Plains have fertile soils and longer growing season. Thus, they are suitable for agriculture. The flat land surface facilitates the construction of roads and railways. So with this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video, that is part 4 of this video series, with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.